Good day, learners! I know for sure that you are excited to learn something new this day. But before that, I have a few questions to ask. First, how can you see yourself after 10 years? I know some of you may answer, you have graduated in your course taken. If that is your answer, my second question is, what will you do next since you are graduate already? I think your answer is to find a job or to be employed. But do you have any idea about employment? As to where you will go, how to be employed, what are the requirements, what are your rights and responsibility as an employee, or what benefits can you get as an employee? That is what we are going to learn in the span of this instructional video. Here are the objectives. What is labor relations? It pertains to the collective relations between employers and workers and their organizations. According to Professor Cesario A. Azucena, labor relations defines the status, rights, and duties, as well as the institutional mechanisms that govern the individual and collective interactions between employers, employees, and their representatives. The Philippine Constitution lays down the basic policies relating to labor relations. Where does the relations of workers and employers start? You are right, in the contract of employment. Under the contract of employment, voluntary employers and employee without a forced compulsion agree that, first, the employee shall in exchange for wages, rendered work, or services to the employer. Second, the employer shall in exchange for services, work rendered, pay the employee his or her wages in accordance with law. Third, agreement and writing or oral expressed or implied. Regular. Engaged to perform activities usually necessary or desirable in the usual trade or business of employer. Employed for an indefinite term and cannot be dismissed except for cause or with due process. Conditions under probationary. First, probationary arrangement known by employee at the time of engagement. Second, reasonable standards to qualify as regular employee made known to employee at the time of engagement. Third, period as stipulated 6 months if no stipulation. Casual, employees engaged to perform a job, work, or service which is merely incidental to the business of employer. Seasonal. Work or services are seasonal in the nature and the employment is for the duration of the season. Fixed term. Hired for the fixed term and not necessarily in the relation to the specific project or undertaking. Contractual. There are two kinds hired under contract. First, directly by the employer. Second, as an employee of a subcontractor. Based on the Constitution, Labor Code, and Contract of Employment, the manager has management prerogatives as well as the employee has individual and collective rights.